what is considered a big number already or in terms of community? Is there a number that you can say this much people following on the Discord channel and
For
Twitter's
me
good?
personally, I don't think it's about numbers.
Oh,
For
okay.
me, it's a real community because a lot of person buy followers and can have 200 followers in Discord and Twitter, but they are not real. But someone can have just 2K, but all 2K are so loyalty with the project.
Hey guys, so we're with Natalie. She's from Colombia, but above and beyond that, she's into NFTs as well. I want to start off with this. Why do you like NFTs?
Because it's the form to protect the privacy property in the digital world, and for me it's the future to entrance to a new communities.
For people who don't understand what NFTs are, how can you explain it to them in an easy way that they can understand it?
The NFTs have property in the digital world. As you have a real estate,
Okay.
You can have you think in digital form.
Okay, but people are skeptical that these are just JPEGs. These are something that I can copy paste. What can you say to them that this is something that is above and beyond just JPEGs alone?
If you see just GPA can be, but is the form to make and useful and create a community and giving value. You can have like the ticket, the NFT like a ticket to entrance to different utilities. If don't have this, maybe it can be just a GPA, but but for this it's important to understand the blockchain, because with this you can understand that anyone can have your NFT.
There's a lot of NFTs, and
Yeah.
everyone's talking about Bored Ape Yacht Club. Everyone's talking about the big ones, but for those who don't know anything about it, how can they know which NFT project is good? Is there any criteria to know that this is a good NFT project, this is a bad NFT project?
I always say 3 points. The
Oh.
first one is the roadmap. Don't buy any NFT because the people say it's a good project. That's named like a FOMO or hype. Don't do it because can be the 90% are scams. So read by yourself roadmap. Second one, look where are the owners of the project, who are they, and what can solve this project. And the third one is what is the community. So how much in Twitter, Discord, the most important social media, and if the people are interacting, the people are really having a value. Okay, let's do it, but it's different for everyone. But the most important is done by just because the people say it's good at project. Just take a look for yourself.
I'm curious on this. You said community. So Discord, Twitter. What is considered a big number already or in terms of community? Is there a number that you can say this much people following on the Discord channel and
For
Twitter's
me
good?
personally, I don't think it's about numbers.
Oh,
For
okay.
me, it's a real community because a lot of person buy followers and can have 200 followers in Discord and Twitter, but they are not real. But someone can have just 2K, but all 2K are so loyalty with the project. So for me, the number is must for the real community that want to interact with this person. It's relative for me.
Got it. When you look at mint prices, when you look at the new projects, there's a large gap. There are some that are 0.05 ETH, 0.1 ETH, and there are some that are 0.3, 0.4. Where should people focus on? The ones that are cheaper, the ones that are higher? How do people navigate that?
One more time, it's not about the prices.
Amazing.
It's about what is the utility
Okay.
and what is the vision of this project. So because for you 1 Ether can be a lot, for me can be not so much. So it depends what you are available to risk and what are you available to lose, because it's a risky investment. So it depends.
Final 2 questions. What's your biggest mistake that you've ever encountered in NFTs? And the reason why I ask that is that so that people can learn from what you've encountered also, so that they don't repeat it, or they can learn that she's super rich, but even though she made money, she also made mistakes also.
For me, my biggest mistake was buy project just for hype. Because I lose a lot of money. So
Okay.
don't do it. For this reason I say, read the roadmap, please look the community. Don't because your friends say this project is gonna to the moon like a bird. This is the new bird. No, don't do it because probably you're going to lose money.
NFTs are so big. There are gaming NFTs, ones that are connected to the metaverse, the ones that are connected, as what you said, to tickets, the ones that can give you access to certain things. Is there any focus that you have into NFTs?
In this moment, I experimenting with the real estate NFTs.
Oh.
So have NFTs and that can allow to have a real estate. That's starting right now.
Got it. Final words for people watching this. To your fans in the Philippines, go!
Follow him.
No,
Follow
no,
him
no.
and learn about him because he's a really expert person and want to give you value. So subscribe him and follow him, please.
You're too kind. You're too kind. Thank you so much. So you have a channel. How can people get in touch with you if they want to learn more? From you
Yes,
also?
I am like Nata Mendoza on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter. Yeah.
Got it. So I'll put details on the description. But she's just too kind. You'll learn more from her because she's super smart also. So thanks everyone. I hope this video helps you trade
Hi
well.
from Colombia to all person who follow him. Thanks so much.
Thank you. And I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.